Hi everyone. We're continuing with a series on inventory, and then inventory we're continuing with settings. In this video, we're going to look at approval settings. These are the rules that determines which inventory actions require approval before they become final. To navigate to approval settings, we go to inventory. Under inventory, we have settings. On settings, we will be able to see approval settings here on the left on this menu. Once you click on the approval setting, the approval settings helps prevent unauthorized stock movement. It helps prevent duplicate entries, incorrect quantities, or fraud or manipulation of our stock. So common approvals will be on goods received, on delivery, on return orders, on inventory adjustments, and on transfer of stock between warehouse. So under new approvals, we're going to have select a new approval. So under that, we have related. So from here, we have a related. So before, say, for instance, we do any loss and adjustment on stock, we'll say we want, let's call the same loss and adjustment approval. It's an approval setting. Before that, this staff must be able to make an approval or make sign on that, and then we can save. We can have various approvers on the system, and we can keep adding them for different purposes. So one can approve, another one can sign, depending on the institution. So from loss and adjustments, we can have that approval as set up. We can delete or edit this approval depending on if there's a change in the institution. We can add new approval and say in this new approval, before we do an order return, it must be approved, or inventory receiving voucher must be signed by a different. So inventory voucher should be signed by staff, and then we click save. So that's how we create approval process, and these flows help us when we're doing our ordering, our loss adjustments, our inventory voucher will be done. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video when we look at permissions.